Right. Video about new car-ish. Right. You get the odd bird poo. We live out in the countryside. There's trees all around us. Understand that. There's trees everywhere. I understand that. You get used to it over time. And new car and everything, and you think, oh, I'm a bit protective, yeah. Bird poo, right? You get it. You know what I'm talking about, don't you? I'd like to know how a bird can aim a poo, right? And we're not talking about this, we're not talking about that, right? We're talking about it can get through that gap, right? That is that line there, and land here. Look, can you see that? That's going that way in at an angle, landing on that bit there. That's the seal of the boot lid. Yeah, that's the seal of the boot lid. How on earth did a bird get through that gap that is not even as wide as my finger, little finger, look, not even as wide as my little finger, and hit that gas strut? How?